For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
Russia has been pushing extensively for a COVID-19 vaccine for quite some time now. Russia will register its first vaccine against the coronavirus on 12th August. The vaccine has been developed jointly by the Gamaleya Research Institute and the Russian Defense Ministry. At the moment, the last third stage is underway. The trials are extremely important. We have to understand that the vaccine must be safe. Medical professionals and senior citizens will be the first to get vaccinated. According to the minister, the effectiveness of the vaccine will be judged when the population immunity has formed. In an earlier report, the final checkup of volunteers showed immunity in all participants. Clinical trials of the vaccine began on 18 June and included 38 volunteers. All of the participants developed immunity and the first group was discharged on 15 July and the second group on 20th July. Meanwhile, the World Health Organization has urged Russia to follow the established guidelines for producing safe and effective vaccines. WHO stressed that all vaccine candidates should go through the full stages of testing before being rolled out. There are established particles and there are guidelines out. Any vaccine or medicine for this purpose should be, of course, going through all the various trials and tests before being licensed for the rollout. Russia has not yet published any scientific data from its first clinical trials. The WHO's list of vaccine candidates in human testing still lists the Gamaleya product as in phase 1 trials. A Russian virologist has questioned the country's swiftly developed coronavirus vaccine. The danger is there in terms of the possibility of increasing the disease with the wrong vaccine. With some diseases and for the coronavirus, this is already known the infection can intensify with the presence of certain antibodies. So it should be known which antibodies the vaccine forms. Virologists pointed to the lack of available information and data about the vaccine's clinical trials as a red flag. Until I see studies and scientific publications that say how the vaccine was studied, what level of neutralization was formed, what doses of the virus it protects against, and most importantly, whether it is developing the ability to increase infections by antibodies, it is possible to talk about the release of a vaccine. With Russia getting ready to register its vaccine on 12th August, the country's top virologists raising questions, it remains to be seen how safe is the vaccine.